Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Celebrate Childhood with Gauravi Jadhav. I am so happy to have so many of my viewers commenting and saying wonderful things about the videos. If you like this video, please like, comment and invite others to subscribe too. Today is an amazing example that I want to share from my children's childhood. Have you been competing as a child? Did you go into those races that happened in your society or competitions that happened in your school? Well, my kids also go through that. I remember the first time when my daughter competed in a dance competition, and they have these competitions in the society, in the building, where kids go and compete. And both of my daughters have gone and competed, and the whole idea of the competition is not to compete with a friend, but to win a prize or to get the same prize like the other friends get. Now, every time they have gone for competitions or for any of these so-called races that they do amongst themselves, there's this one conversation that we've had as a family, and this is something that might be useful for all my viewers, I'm sure. We've had very open conversations about what is competition. Why do we compete? Is there really a need to compete amongst ourselves? Or are all those competitions just for fun? Now, it's very important that we ask these questions. Otherwise, you see the kind of rat race we are all involved in. Everybody is wanting to win over something. Everybody wants to go ahead. Even right now, when I think about myself, a lot of times I end up comparing. Am I doing better than that person? Am I doing better than someone else in my life? Only to realize that we are all on our own paths. There's actually nothing to compare. There is no competition if you go to see. We are not competing with anybody. We are only moving towards higher versions of ourselves. And can you have such conversations with kids? Yes, of course. Trust me, children understand. My kids openly, with their open minds and their hearts, acknowledged and understood that friendships are more important. Relationships are more important. If I don't win, it is okay. I don't have to sit and cry. My younger one did cry once, but she cried only for 2 minutes. And the only reason was we as a family did not give that competition so much importance. We gave importance to the fact that she could stand up and do the race. She competed, and the whole spirit of competition is more important than winning. And people say, this is nice lecture, a good philosophy to have. But in life, competition is very important. Running a race is very important. And I ask you all, who said so? Why do we need to compete? Why do kids need to compete? And where does this competition take us? Does it really make us happy? And if it does not, then why force our kids or anybody to compete? Think about it and let me know in comments, what are your views about competition? Do you want your kids to compete and always come first? Do you want them to come first in exams? Think about it. I'll make another video on exams also, and what I feel and believe and what my family believes, the four of us believe to be competing in exams. But otherwise, in life, competitions, according to me, are not as important. Relationships are more important. People are more important. Yeah? Smiling like this is more important in life. And it is these smiles on our children's faces that have the most value for us. Thank you, my dear friends, for viewing.
Bye.